In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center text in Substack. By the end, you'll know exactly where the alignment controls live and how to apply a clean, centered look to your headlines, quotes, or any paragraph that needs a little visual emphasis. Start by opening Substack. This takes you to the place where you write and manage your posts. Once you're in, look for the Create button. It's the quick way to start something new. Click Create, and then choose Article. This opens the standard post editor, which is where most of your writing happens and where your formatting tools are easy to access. Inside the editor, you'll see a simple formatting toolbar designed to keep your writing space clean and focused. To work with alignment, open the drop-down for the alignment. The alignment control usually looks like a small set of horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. When you open that menu, you'll see options for how your text is positioned on the page. Next, click Center. As soon as you do, Substack will apply centered alignment to the paragraph your cursor is in, or to any text that's already selected. This change is immediate, and you'll see your text shift to the middle of the writing area. If you decide you want to go back to a more traditional look, you can return to that same drop-down and switch the alignment again at any time. Centering works best when you want to highlight something specific, like a headline, a subhead, a short quote, or a call-out line. It draws the eye and adds a touch of balance to the layout. Keep in mind that alignment applies per paragraph, so each block of text can have its own setting. If you continue typing after a centered line, the editor may carry that style forward to the next paragraph, depending on your cursor's position. You can always adjust it from the same menu if you prefer a different look. If you don't immediately see the alignment option, make sure you're in the main article editor and that the formatting toolbar is visible. The controls appear once you're actively working in the writing area. Substack is designed to keep your workspace minimal, so the toolbar appears only when it's needed. That's all there is to it. Open Substack, click Create, click Article, open the alignment drop-down, and click Center. With those simple actions, you can give your post a polished, intentional look that guides readers' attention exactly where you want it.